Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to attempt to do the 3D dragon head. So to hunt the image down, you go to All Images, Image Sets, search 3D animal. And it's a 3D animal head. So I've already done the T-Rex, the dinosaur. So I'm now going to try the 3D dragon head. So let's open this up. So it's not a very big file. I'm going to leave the size as is. This is the recommended size by Cricut. We're going to ungroup. And it looks like we've got purple, a darker green, a lighter green, a white or off-white for the teeth, red for the tongue. So 4 colors. There is a pen marking on there for the eyes. I'm not sure why, because the eyes are also in that purplish blue color. So it looks a little weird, so I'm going to hide the eye pen mark on that and not do that one. But I'm going to get this all cut out and let's put it together. Okay, I've got everything cut out and I've kind of organized it. So these are the 2 neck pieces. This is the front of his head, the top of his snout, I guess, and these teeth attach inside of that. This is his bottom jaw and his teeth for that. They look like ears, but it's the side of his face and the eyes get attached there. These are his nostrils. We have his tongue there, and then the backing piece, the neck pieces get attached to that. So I'm going to start putting this together and let's see what it looks like. Okay, I've got the neck pieces all folded. So first I'm going to attach them to the backing. Okay, let's start working on the upper and the lower face and jaw. Okay, the upper and lower jaw has dried, so let's attach kind of the sides of his face. So they're gonna get tabbed in like that. Okay, now for his eyes. Okay, I played around with the nostril pieces, and I believe I've got it figured out. That they get folded into a triangle. That is my best guess. So again, this doesn't come with any instructions. Okay, while those dry, I am going to attach the tongue. Pretty sure the tongue just gets attached right on that guy. Okay, I've decided I'm actually going to add some jewels to his eye, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, let's finish getting this guy together. Okay, the glue is all dry, So let's take a look at this dragon head. I think it looks really good. I love the teeth and how that turned out. You know, when you look in through the center, you can see a bit of the blue, but I think that's okay. I think for the eyes, you could choose any color you wanted. You don't have to use the background color, so definitely keep that in mind. I love that I threw the jewels in there. Gives it more of an intense stare. It's cute little tongue sticking out, a little off-centered on mine, but that is okay. He's an off-centered dragon. So there you go. That's how, or one way you could put together the 3D dragon head. I don't know if I did it properly, but it seems to work in the end, so there you go. Awesome. Well, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I truly appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Until next time.